back to my channel. You're watching Candy Kid, and today I'm in the game IKEA, but just to show you the bases that me and my friend Alien made. So this is Alien.
Hi.
Yeah, so she's been in some of my previous videos. So yeah, this is just about the game IKEA and the bases we've made. This one we made together, and she made her own, and I also made my own. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we just added a little something. So this is our home that we made together. So this area is just like the kitchen area. Also, this is called a God block, where when you touch it, it gives you 100 health and energy. And then this is so we have this is our room. Yeah, we have the living room here, and then that's her side, Alien's side.
Yeah, I just have figurines over here, some bowling pins. It's weird.
And then this is my side. It's kind of bland because I never really wanted to finish it, but this is what I have. And then I have a ladder, and if I just picked up something. I just picked up the wall. So I have this cube right there. Yeah, she moved it. So I just have a ladder to go on the roof if I ever just wanted to, on my side. Yeah, also you can't see me because you can only see Alien, and you can't see me because it won't let us.
First-person game?
Yeah, it won't let us zoom out. And that looks like a chimney in my opinion, so.
Yeah, let's keep that.
Okay, so yeah, that was our home, and now we're gonna go to the one Alien made by herself. Also, I haven't seen it yet, so this is gonna be a real reaction from me. So
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
so let's go do it. I hope you guys liked the video me and Alien made and the bases. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!